Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's your friendly Hufflepuff here to bring the bit of magic back to my channel. Today, we are going to do a makeup video inspired by Hogwarts. Now, seeing as I am a Hufflepuff, you would think maybe I'd start the series off with a look for Hufflepuffs. Now, today I want to do Slytherin. So, today I'm gonna do Slytherin. So, this is just gonna be simple wearable look. Do whatever you want to your skin. I'm not gonna be putting on foundation or primer or anything. It's just not what I want to do today. I just want to really focus on the eyes for the most part and just create a simple wearable type look. Though I will use a bit of highlight because I'm me. So, we all know my friend, NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk. Over the eyelid. Make a little bit of shape with it. All over the eyelid. Make a bit of shape with it. Okay. Now, we're going to start on the outer part. No. Scratch that. We are going to start on the inner part. So, we are going to take our silver with a smallish eyeshadow brush, which I'm going to pull out of my Eco Tools palette, or brush bag. And I'm just going to use the metal eyes from Hard Candy and go right into that silver. And put that in the center and inner corner portion of the eyelid. Okay, now I'm going to go into my Beauty Treats palette. I'm going to start with the lighter green and put that on the outer corner and into the crease. Outer corner and into the crease. I'm also going to take another small brush and bring that under my lower lash line. Now I'm also going to take that same small brush and go into the darker gray. And use it to define the crease a little bit more. And go a little bit under the eye with that as well. Now I'm going to take one of my blending brushes and just kind of blend up a little bit. Just going to take this, brush my eyebrows. Now I'm going to take my NYX Epic Ink liner in black. And just go right close to my lash line with it. Ooh. Very simple. Though, if you want, you could definitely wing it out, which would be very, very Slytherin and aesthetic. But I just want a simple bar today. Next, I'm going to take the curler. Curl my lashes, then take my Peacock Flare mascara. And put that on my lashes. Now I'm going to take the lash comb-y side of this and just comb through. Okay, now I'm going to do my lips, so I'm not going to be talking while I do that. So I'm going to first take my NYX retractable lip liner in black lips and line my lips, and then I will be using my NYX Liquid Suede in Alien lipstick and putting that over my lips. Okay? and that's the look. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoy and have fun with your makeup. Really, that's all this is. It's just me enjoying myself. So, do what makes you happy, makes you smile, and you enjoy. That's kind of the point of my channel. Anyway, hope you have fun.